If that's your dream house checklist, then check, 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 and check. Hurry! Make an appointment now to see 1409 Doug Hill Road. With 4,319 square feet of country splendor, this 2021 construction is chock full of your favorites. First, it's part of the famed Doug Hill Farms, where every house lines the road with a fence and every lot is massive. Best of all, this mini farm is 10 minutes from Walmart, Food City, Publix, Lowe's, and Huntsville Hospital. Plus, Redstone Arsenal is only about a 20-minute drive. You've got 1,000 square feet of porches, and nature is literally begging you to stand and stare. And you will. But then, you may stare at the Southern Living country kitchen, or the primary bedroom with a fireplace, or the glamour bath with no shower glass to clean, or over 1,200 square feet of floored storage, or the storm shelter in the basement. Not to mention an entire attached living area perfect as a guest house, in-law apartment, or for the independent child. And don't forget about the 3-car garage, the 40-foot by 30-foot insulated workshop, or the future barn site that is ready for construction. And truth be told, 1409 Doug Hill Road may have more than your checklist and may be better than your dreams. So don't waste time, or you may miss it. Remember, if it's caught your attention, it's caught other people's attention too. So call now for a personal preview and decide for yourself. Is this too good to be true, or is it your perfect dream house?